Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Store blocked by administrator in Windows 11. First method is open local security policy. Click and expand application control policies. Click Packaged App Rules, Delete Rule. Second method is Edit Group Policy. Turn off the store application, change value data to not configured. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, click regedit. Delete remove Windows Store. Right-click Windows Store, go to HKey Local Machine. Delete remove Windows Store. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.